Hello violinists, welcome to Prime Strings. I'm Henriette and I'm playing for you today Knickerbocker Glory from the Waggon Wheels book. Knickerbocker Glory is in the key of A major, so let's warm up by playing an A major scale first. I'm playing every note twice with long bows, and at the top we're just going to add our pinky for fun. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play the arpeggio as well, shall we? And I'll play you Knickerbocker Glory, so you can join me if you want to. We're playing 4 short A's which go on the half bow, so the lower half of the bow for those 4 short A's, and then we're playing the whole bow on 2 fingers on D and 1 finger on D. So let's try our second finger on the D string first, shall we? Hover your finger just above that spot there while we play the A's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your pinky. That's it. So I'm using my left hand for that pizzicato note. Just practice that a few times. That's it. Really good. It makes your pinky really nice and strong, and that's a good thing in playing. Well done for playing that. Now we want to practice in this piece. Whenever you play a minim, I want you to stretch your bow arm forward. So if we look at our first 2 minims, which come at the end of the first line, I want you to try and stretch your bow arm like this, so that you finish your hand straight in front of your tummy. If you find yourself playing like this, you can find the bow slipping. That's not what you want to do, and that's because your hand finished here by your side. So instead you want to stretch it forward. So let's just try that. C sharp, which is the first note in the last bar of line 1. Here we go. Stretch your arm forward. arm straight in front of you? So in other words, is your bow parallel to the bridge? Let's try that again, shall we? That's it. Do it one more time with me. That may well feel like a huge stretch, but you're doing great when you're doing that. Okay, now whenever you play long notes, you want to do that and stretch your bow arm forward, okay? Now let's play it again from the beginning. So we're testing our second finger on D. 3, 4. It should sound a lot nicer when your bows are straight. Super. Now some people ask me, why do you always play scales and arpeggios? And that is because most pieces are made up of sections of the scale and arpeggios of the key they're written in. Now this piece finishes on an A and it has 3 sharps in its key signature, therefore it's written in the key of A major. So it uses patterns, sections from the A major scale and sections from the A arpeggio. Now, of course, when you play the second bar in the second line, that is a section from the A arpeggio. Our A arpeggio was, as you may remember, A, C sharp, E, A. And though it goes in reverse order, the second bar of the second line goes. This is a variation note. But perhaps you can hear those notes are the A arpeggio going down. So that means if you're already very good at playing the A arpeggio, you'll find that second bar quite easy to play, if you recognise it, that is. So as you go along, we try and spot patterns of arpeggios and patterns of scales, and that will help your playing. Now this time, we've practiced the piece a couple of times and we've thought about a few aspects of it. Let's now put it together and play it a little bit faster for an end of this video. I'll count us in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone, you've learned a great deal in a short space of time. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, do write them in the comments section below, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.